Most productivity tools help you stay organized, but very few actually help you scale your workflow. That's the difference between basic task managers and tools like Motion and SkedPal. Both promise the same thing: automatic scheduling, smarter planning, less stress. So I tested both with real work, client tasks, deadlines, content, everything. And here's the truth: they feel similar at first, but the way they handle your time is completely different. Let's start with Motion. Motion is aggressive. In a good way, sometimes. You add your tasks, set deadlines, and it builds your entire schedule automatically. It literally decides what you should work on and when. If something changes, it reshuffles everything. Sounds perfect, right? But here's what I noticed. It works best if you fully trust it. If you try to override it or work differently, it starts feeling restrictive. It's like having a strict manager telling you what to do all day. For some people, that's amazing. For others, it's frustrating. Now, SkedPal. SkedPal feels more flexible. Instead of controlling your entire day, it works with something called time maps. You define when you want to work, what type of work fits where, and SkedPal schedules tasks around that. It's still automated, but you have more control. The learning curve is higher, no doubt. It's not as plug and play as Motion, but once you set it up, it adapts to your style instead of forcing you into a system. That's the biggest difference. Motion equals control your schedule for you. SkedPal equals help you control your schedule. Now, real pros and cons. Motion is faster to start. You can get value almost immediately, and it's great if you want structure without thinking too much. But it can feel rigid, especially if your days aren't predictable. SkedPal takes longer to understand, but it's more customizable. It scales better if you manage complex workflows, multiple priorities, or long-term planning. Now the big question: which one actually scales your workflow faster? If you're a freelancer or solo operator who just wants things handled automatically, Motion's easier and faster in the beginning. But if you're running an agency, managing multiple projects, or dealing with complex schedules, SkedPal is stronger long-term, because scaling isn't just about speed, it's about flexibility. And tools that adapt to you usually win in the long run. So the real answer: Motion is faster to start. SkedPal is better to grow with. And the best choice depends on whether you want control or control with flexibility. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.